a Democrat lawmaker calling for the immediate release of President Trump's taxes, won't be immediately releasing his own. Last month The Hill reported that House Democrats were edging closer to formally requesting President Trump's tax returns from the Treasury Department, as lawmakers ramp up their arguments for why it's necessary to examine the documents. While Democratic leaders and House Ways and Means Committee Chairman Richard Neal, Dem, haven't announced exactly when they will make the request, several lawmakers say action is likely to come sooner rather than later. Republican leader Chuck Grassley slammed Democrats for requesting the president's tax returns. From Washington Times, the Democratic chairman of the House Ways and Means Committee is demanding President Trump release his tax returns but has demurred on releasing his own. "Oh, sure, down the road, sure, that's nothing," Representative Richard Neal, Dem, said Thursday when asked if he would release his own returns, according to the Washington Times. "I've done it in the past, by the way." It's unclear when Neal has disclosed his finances. In 2017, roll call asked every member of Congress to release their own returns, and the request went unanswered by Neal. At the time, his returns were also unavailable elsewhere. Neal requested 6 years of Trump's tax returns Wednesday in a letter to the Internal Revenue Service. Tax laws empower him to obtain individuals' tax returns. In justifying not releasing his tax returns, Trump has repeatedly claimed he is under audit by the IRS. Neal said that's an insufficient excuse. "The argument we have here is that the professional staff and the attorneys say that you could still submit your tax forms even if you're under audit," he said.